Been a little while, but we still taking stuff out the box.
Bruh.
Banana.
And here we got the banana Nike Dunk lows. And you see they come with this big bag that look like it got a hairnet in it. But once we get it out the plastic, you can see that's a regular banana bag for you to hang your bananas or some real bananas. But let's get to the shoe. You know we got to go ahead and bust the materials check. And as you can see, it's a cream, smooth nubuck all around with yellow leather on the heel and the wings with a brown heel tab. And for some added realism, you see the banana stickers on the heel and on the insole. Unlike most dunk lows though, the wings on this shoes are detached, so it could look like a peeled banana. And just so you can see you keeping your feet healthy with these, here goes some nutrition facts too. And those of you who really F with the banana the long way, Nike's giving you a recipe on how to make a banana smoothie. Overall, this shoe cool as hell. The attention to detail, the materials, the accessories. I know they dropping a Fruit SB pack in the near future, but I wonder if they're going to do anything else like this for some regular dunk lows.